Hey, Mindy here, and I am going to teach you how to make my famous cacao balls. I eat this every day before I go running. It is an amazing treat and very healthy. So all you do is start with your two most favorite nuts. Now I'm using almonds and also walnuts, and it's going to be half a cup of each. Now I also like to use cashews too. They're fantastic. You put it into a food processor. I have had this food processor for 30 years. So here we go. Okay, when they are ground like that, you are now going to add 1 cup of dates. Now these dates, if you have dates that have pits in them, of course, take the pits out. And I actually got these at Costco, very inexpensive and fabulous. They are organic dates. And then you put this in with also 1 teaspoon of vanilla. There we go. And then we make a lot of noise. Okay, you check inside to make sure that they are going to actually make balls, and they are. So I'm going to add now cacao powder, about 1/4 cup of cacao powder. You can also add cacao nibs in there as well, but I'm just going to add cacao powder in right now. Now, not cocoa, this is actually raw premium cacao powder. And you mix that up. Okay, when that is thoroughly mixed, then what you're going to do is you're going to make balls out of them, just like this. Okay, super simple. And then you've got a little ball just like that. And they end up looking like this after they've been frozen for about an hour or so. They've been frozen overnight, but they both are very tasty. I would actually eat them after they have been frozen. I always have these in my refrigerator, so I can just grab them out, actually freezer, so I can grab them out, and then I go for a nice long run. And that's my cacao balls. Mindy signing out.